In the latest development under Meghalaya's Dream Mission, the Minister of Social Welfare Department, Government of Meghalaya, Paul Lyngdoh, allocated a sum of Rs 15,65,285 to the Mawlai Town Dorbar, represented by President Herlambok War, for the establishment of a centre dedicated to aiding victims of substance abuse. Also present at the meeting were the Secretary of the Mawlai Town Dorbar, Marco Mitri, the Commissioner and Secretary of the Social Welfare Department, Pravin Bakshi, the Director of the Department, Camelia D Lyngwa, alongside members of the Dorbar and government officials. During the session, Paul Lyngdoh emphasized the government's repeated support to the Mawlai Town Dorbar, specifically highlighting this allocation for the completion of the centre aimed at providing treatment, counselling and support to individuals struggling with drug addiction. Additionally, the minister noted that while similar offers were extended to other Dorbar Shnong, Mawlai Town Dorbar was the only respondent, demonstrating their commitment to the community's welfare.
As of now, this is the first project, the first Dorbar that has come forward to openly offer its support to the government. They have also facilitated us with a space which we could use. But as I had mentioned earlier, we are now appealing to various Dorbars to also join hands with the government. One way that we can immediately come to immediate help to the various Dorbars is through this dream mission to set up what are called halfway homes, whereby the Dorbars can offer us land and we will set up the required facilities. In the last general meeting convened along with in the presence of the Chief Minister, we had invited various Dorbars. We have made this open offer to them. A few have responded, but then some of these offers still lack the required parameters which they should meet. For instance, we're looking at lots of land on which government can set up facilities, or if they have their community halls which can be used exclusively for sheltering these inmates during the course of this reforms program. A number of these shnongs have offered their support, but for instance, they have the problem with the Dorbar shnongs because their halls would only be available for a limited period of time. As and when they have their meetings, they require those halls again. So that becomes problematic for us.
In his statement, the Secretary of the Mawlai Town Dorbar, Marco Mitri, addressed the prevalent issue of drug abuse, noting a shift from dealing primarily with alcoholism to tackling drug-related challenges impacting the youth. Mitri announced the forthcoming establishment of a permanent counselling centre at Mawlai Petrol Pump, highlighting the Dorbar's ongoing efforts in the rehabilitation and treatment of 42 young drug abusers.
Paul Lyngdoh, Chief Minister, he will assume a proposal to part of the financial assistance. I'm going to need to come to come pasok yung mga tanoba ng road ni kam. Nama be say ibu ki kam dai ka khadu hi monitoring din yung mga tanoba. So nakapor siya kapor gi kendu ikini pangilong meeting nakapor spor gi kendu idikna i hablay mi ki hablay kan ai mensi ki kalong ka kam bra sim se bor so ge meeting i no ki kam snong. Ti kalong actually ga extra burden ni habang sim ngi ai kublay government kasutu ekata ba fi encourage ni banyak kini next phase bi ya mata jo ni ka treatment ni kalong sa counseling in play counseling mata Mawlai Petrol Pump Kabalong Center, but it kena kinuan biang, but in persiang pada yang makan installment bu government ga ai, ban acquire no ikan nunggu jaka, bu set no center ban permanent, mau ban sulong makeshift ni makwa, ikwa bukan long permanent, ikidon kisnong nang tai le gom muat tu bawal se, indon galat nang kerpat kisnong belum jaka, bu ai no bu set up ga, we ga permanent center di mata ni kam. bakani le se bakale hi le snong bakale hi le dong de Dorbar snong ngai kan long open ya baro bat ki se mahalang gila bang ni collaborate lang punya tre lang maka jing thui ba khadu kalong ba idon ni gani we kan ni we nong sun bamdu ila ribu jenre bamdu ikun sama ga jungi ani tu ipim ne ikun sama kam idon no pri ki bri ko nang sabun ida bon di wanang to ye ka ba kim la shu ben ne pri ga jing krni ge jugi ne jing sinja ma mo na to ba sin ngai kan long ka ba job ba ka man nang yai tulun na ka por na mar ngin tip kani ka kam in be ki wan phai ni be ki wan phai rei ka jiale ka long kumki ong ba success rate ka national level ka long hardly 3 to 4%. The success rate yi even ta kalong about 20%.